Let's look at example 2 in this section. We're going to solve and verify this inequality. Negative 2.6a plus 14.6 is greater than negative 5.2 plus 1.8a. Well, the first thing I want to do is I want to get my a's on the left-hand side. So I'm going to take 1.8a away from both sides. I get negative 4.4a plus 14.6 is greater than negative 5.2. Now I want to take 14.6 away from both sides. That makes a zero pair. Negative 4.4a is greater than negative 19.8. And you'll realize that I haven't done anything with my inequality yet, because so far all I've done has been adding and subtracting. And adding and subtracting, we realize, doesn't make any difference to our inequality sign. It remains the same. We only have to worry about the change in the inequality if we multiply or divide by a negative number. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4.4 to get a by itself. That's going to cancel out. I'm going to get a on that side. On this side I'm going to get 4.5. And now I have divided by a negative number, so my sign has to change. So I get a is less than 4.5. So to verify, I'm going to try a is equal to 3. Let me put that into my equation. Negative 2.6 times 3 plus 14.6 is greater than negative 5.2 plus 1.8 times 3, because I want to see if this will work. I get negative 7.8 plus 14.6, negative 5.2 plus 5.4. Let me add this side. I get 6.8. And on this side I get 0.2. And 6.8 is greater than 0.2. So I have verified my solution. I know that works. I have gotten the correct answer.